In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords and Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google. Choose Google Password Manager and hit Add Password over here. If you don't have any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To access them, you need to have at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings under Passwords on the left. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in the pop-up. I will try with Facebook. When you see this pop-up, hit Save at the bottom right corner. Then go back and access all of those options. Thanks to your password being successfully added. So now you can hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!